Hello friends, I am Dr. Swapna Pillai and I am going to give my presentation on the subject guidance and counselling for M.Ed first semester. The topics that we are going to cover today is meaning, definition and importance of counselling. Let us discuss the first meaning of counselling. What exactly is counselling? Counselling is a professional process where a person helps individual to explore their feelings, understand their problems like stress, anxiety or relationship issues, and develop certain kind of strategies for better coping, for better decision making, so that they are able to grow well, they are able to groom well and they are able to develop the confidence. Let us look at the definition. This definition is given by Burks and Steffier. Counselling is a professional relationship in which the counsellor assists the client in understanding and resolving problems by applying the established principles of psychological growth. So, it is a professional relationship between a counsellor and the person, and the counsellor helps the person to understand the problem and to find a solution to the problem. Let us move on to the importance of counselling. When we talk about importance of counselling, first importance is that normally counselling helps in treating of disorders. Now, disorders can be anxiety disorders. So, when we talk about anxiety disorders, then the counsellor provides evidence based therapies like CBT etc. to treat anxiety based disorders, which basically treats mental health conditions. And when we talk about mental health conditions, it can be depression, it can be anxiety, any kind of eating disorders or substance disorders. Second is emotional regulation. Now, when we talk about emotional, it helps to understand and express emotions like anger, grief, or we can say frustration that may have occurred due to some family issues, some family divorce etc. So, counselling helps in emotional regulation. Number 3 is stress management. Counselor also helps clients to cope strategies and develop techniques so that these kind of stress can be overcome. Now, this stress management basically is felt by, we can say, by corporate professionals who because of extreme level of stress, they need counselling so that they are able to cope up with this mental and physical stress. Next, in mental health and remediation is crisis intervention. Now, what is crisis intervention? Basically, suppose someone has experienced a car accident and he is in a coma, he is in a trauma. So, to come out of this trauma, counselling is given, and that is called as crisis intervention. So, counselling provides immediate structured support during the time of such kind of crisis. Second category of importance is where counselling helps in personal growth and development. Here we can say that it helps in increased self-awareness. Suppose the counselling helps individual for deep self-reflection, helping gain the confidence, to gain some kind of belief or to bring about a change in their behavioral patterns. So, this counselling creates a self-knowledge, and that brings about a change in the patient or in the client. Sometimes now we can give the example of a person not believing, trusting in relationships, and that could be because of some childhood experiences. So, it helps increase the self-awareness. Second is enhanced self-acceptances. That is, suppose an artist is struggling with constant criticism and he wants to come out with some perfect work where there is less of criticism and his work is appreciated. So, counselling helps in enhanced self-acceptance, to develop that confidence so that he is able to give his best. Then improved decision making. Now, when we talk about a student who is undecided about his career. So, counselling helps him to identify the weaknesses and the strengths, and thereby is able to focus more on better career prospects. Then next is building resilience. When we talk about building resilience, here suppose a person is continuously performing and he is not able to perform that 100% to get the desired results. So, counselling may help him build that resilience, get back that extra confidence and strength so that he is able to look stronger. The next aspect of counselling is relationship and societal functioning. Now, if a person is lacking communication skills, he is lacking the technique of active listening. So, counselling can help him to develop this habit of listening so that he is able to accumulate his thoughts for better communication process. Second one is conflict resolution. Now, if a family who is continuously struggling with tensions, they are made to kind of develop a structured I message format so that they stop blaming each other and reduce their conflicts and reduce these kind of stress issues in the family. Then the next point is navigating transitions. When we talk about navigating transitions, if a person has undergone a divorce or such kind of relationship personal issues, so to come out of it stronger, to deal with day-to-day situations, to deal with the new environment and situations, counselling can help in navigating these kind of transitions. And the next one is reducing stigma. What happens is in counselling, a person can or anybody can discuss issues of their experiences with the positive experiences with the counsellors, and then this positive experiences can encourage several peers and subordinates to overcome their stigma, and that gives them a sense of confidence. So, after looking at all these importances, we can conclude that the importance of counselling lies in the ability to help the person heal the past wounds and equip them with certain kind of skills so that they are able to face the future with great fulfillment, with great conviction and with great confidence. Thank you.